Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the dictionary on the ELSA Speak application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on this third button down below and then scroll down to the Tools Features section and click on the dictionary button to look up the meaning and correct pronunciation of a word or phrase. You can type it in into the search bar. Tap on the check button.
Concrete.
And you can find the pronunciation available by tapping on the speaker button. You have the definition of it and the example sentence. If you want to check out whether you can pronounce it correctly or not, just simply tap on the microphone icon down below and then say the word or pronounce the word. Concrete. And here you can see that your pronunciation was excellent. If you want to try it again, tap on the try again button. If you want to save it and add it to your study sets, tap on the add button and it will be saved to your study sets, so you will be able to come back to this word and practice it later. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.